Today we have a Buick LaCrosse. These years range from 2005 to 2006. Primarily the main issues with this instrument cluster that we rebuild is the backlights go out, but also the LCD screen on the bottom underneath the speedometer can be intermittent or entirely not working. On this particular one, this one has the bottom display coming on, but the backlights, some of them are burnt out. What we would do is we would still address any of the circuit board issues for the bottom display, even if it's coming on, because again, it could be intermittent. So we would make sure that we would take care of that so it would not have give you any issues in the future while you're driving, you know, an hour down the road and then it just quits. Then also we would address any kind of issues with as far as the backlighting. These gauges themselves don't typically fail. So if you're having an issue particularly with gauges, I would make sure to check any kind of sensors or wiring or relays in relation to that particular gauge that you're having issues with. So we're going to do a little before and after. Right now we're going to do the rebuild, and you're going to see the backlights being fully restored, and we'll show you what it looks like after we've rebuilt it.